channel, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing and reviewing my brand new backpack from Nordace. It's a Siena Backpack. I'm super excited. I've been eyeing this backpack for quite some time. These ads pop up. Seems like it's very roomy, seems like you could pack a lot of things, and most importantly, I just really wanted to get a traveling backpack because I travel primarily alone with my two kids, and I am so over having a tote bag, a duffel bag, any kind of bag, crossbody bag. I just want to have a backpack, and I just want to have everything that we need for traveling day in that backpack and make it as easy and simple for me while I'm traveling. So excited to see this backpack. I haven't opened it, so we're gonna do it together. I'll give you my honest review, and then I guess maybe sometime after my trip to Disney World I will come back and tell you what I thought about this backpack, and if the ads are true about it, that you could really pack a million things in. Right, so it came like this, nothing fancy, a little bit dirty to be honest, so got my scissors, let's open it. So here it is. I believe the color I went with was like grayish. Seems pretty nice. Let's open it up. Okay, first impressions, it looks good. The fabric is very like durable. Size wise, I think it's good. I believe they have the same model, I should say, with the same style but in different sizes. So if you want it a little bit bigger or a little bit more bigger, they do have it. I think mine is the original. We'll double check my packing slip, and if not, I'll pull up my email and see what exactly I ordered, at least what size, just to make sure I tell you the correct information. But I'm pretty sure that this is the original size that I ordered. I'll put it right over here. So let's open it up and see how we like this backpack. So in the front, right over here, I think it's on each side, yes, there are pockets. Okay, the zippers feel pretty smooth. If you've watched any of my videos when I order anything for traveling, the zippers have to be good. So far, I feel like it's nice and smooth. So let's see. Okay, so this pocket is pretty deep. I do like this. You could clip your keys so you don't lose it, because I am notorious for losing my keys in my bags. And then there is like another little pocket right over here. So, but this is pretty roomy. Like half of my hand goes inside, so you could definitely put something in here. And then there is the same pocket on the other side, but they don't connect, so they're two completely separate pockets, which is cool. I actually like the way that was done. And here you also have little pockets like this, so you could store and organize things. I like that a lot. I definitely loved that this has so many different compartments. On this side we do have a water bottle pocket. It seems pretty deep, and it does have an elastic band over here, so I guess it could kind of stretch out if you have a bigger bottle. Another thing that I like is that it has that little sleeve that you could put this on your suitcase, which also is a plus, so I'm really excited. I hope this works well. And then underneath that is almost like a hidden compartment. I mean, you could see it when this is down, but if it was to be like this, you would never know that there is a hidden compartment. Open it up, and it's pretty roomy. You know, like you could put like your passport, you could put your wallet, you could probably put your phone, a few things like that. There's plenty of space. Zipper also feels really, really smooth. Okay, so now we have two compartments here, this one and this one. So let's open one of them up and see. Okay, so let's start with this one. Oh, it's nice. Right, so we have this sleeve in here. It's like, it's not all the way deep, but it's pretty roomy. Then you have more little pockets right over here, and you have more pockets over here. These pockets are a little bit more padded and a little bit big. And then you do have your USB connection over here. And then we have this pocket over here which is also nice. And I like that it's kind of like see-through-ish, so you could also put something here. Very roomy, lots of room in here. So essentially in here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pocket compartments, and then 7th being your main compartment over here. So pretty good. Okay, so I guess the other one is for your laptop, because it feels pretty padded, and it's actually padded on both sides. This side is padded and this one is padded too, and it's all the way down. Full big pocket. I like it a lot. It feels very secure. Okay, now this handle strap looks pretty good too. The stitching is good. All right, let's try this backpack on. If you don't know, or if maybe it's a little hard for you to see, the backpack definitely has more of a like a square rectangle type of shape. You know, it's not like your regular backpack, especially like when it's full, like it kind of like sinks in. This is definitely gonna be this shape, especially when you fill it up. So if that's not your cup of tea, definitely look elsewhere or see other styles. But for me, it's fine. It doesn't bother me. For me, most important thing is that it works well and that I can put everything that I need in here. Essentially have nothing in my hands, nothing hanging over the shoulder. I just want to be comfortable when I travel. Right. So of course I'll adjust the straps for when we go, but there's definitely lots of room. They're very padded, which is great. I don't know how that reads, but hopefully that reads kind of well. I do have a Disney trip coming up. I'm not sure if I mentioned it in the beginning of the video. We're actually leaving next week, so I'm excited to see how this is going to pack, and I will be back at some point after my vacation to give you a full, you know, updated review how this backpack held up during traveling. And then I'll also try to show you everything that I was able to pack in the backpack, because I am curious to see, you know, if it's manageable and if it's able to hold as much stuff as they claim in their video. I don't have a packing slip, but I want to say this bag was $129. I'll definitely put the price somewhere over here. I'm pretty sure it was $129. I know some people complained about shipping. I think it shipped fairly fast to me, but I was also away for 2 weeks. But I think when I was tracking it, it came probably within a week after I placed my order. So it didn't take that long. I'm pretty happy. Like, I have to say, for $129, it seems very well made. And I'm definitely very excited to give this backpack a try, and I hope it works. All right guys, well, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments below, and as I mentioned before, I will definitely be back with an updated review of this backpack, so be sure to come back, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the bell so you'll be notified when that video goes up, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and it also helps my channel so much, and I'm very grateful. Thanks so much guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.